As you probably heard, the West is suffering through one of the worst droughts on record. What you might not know is that costs of the consequences of that drought could touch the pockets of everyone across the country. NOAA is predicting the drought in the West will persist or intensify through the end of July. Worsening drought conditions mean vegetation is drier and burns more easily. The parched western U.S. seems to be set up for a record wildfire season. In California, things are already scorching. There have been over 1,000 fires this year. That's almost double the 5-year average. Because of that, the National Interagency Fire Center is estimating the threat of fire will be higher than normal in June across California, Arizona, and the Northwest. And then in July and August, as the temperatures increase, the area in danger of wildfires expands even more. All this is bad news for taxpayers. Since 2005, the federal government has spent more than $1 billion a year fighting fires in the United States. That number was closer to $2 billion in 2006 and 2012. And with drought conditions like these, 2015 is shaping up to be another $1 billion year.